How to find Booking.com promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Booking.com promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Groupon.com, as this is a legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Booking.com. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 30% off, 20% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Once you get the code, make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on Shop Now. You'll be directed to the Booking.com website. Then you can log into your account, book your flight, and check out. In the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Booking.com. Then head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also open up this one website, Coupon Follow, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers for Booking.com. So this way you can easily find Booking.com promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.